morning, there will be local residents or tourists who will sit and eat and talk.
Hi everyone, welcome to our vlog. My name is Alina. Today we are to Banbike Dam. This is going to be this place play an important role in collecting and storing the water for use in the dry season from Banbike Community Budi Sub-District Raman District.
This is a water storage dam that is surrounded by mountains. Banbike Reservoir Project due to the Royal Initiative King Ramanai. There is a good atmosphere here.
Baby, you are my light， 你点亮我的爱 ，Forever shine， 命中注定的安排，我明白，流星划过窗台，我像极光的色彩，你的存在。
Surrounded by trees, it is a project that solves the problem of water scarcity. We can still put up a tent upstairs. Carefully during the dry season. And it is also a tourist attraction. We will take everyone to enjoy the atmosphere on the breeze in the evening. Take a look at the sunset atmosphere in the evening.